Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into Apple's latest innovation in wearable technology. The Apple Watch Series 11, GPS 42mm, with the rose gold aluminum case and light blush sport band. This smartwatch is designed to be your ultimate companion for health, fitness, and everyday convenience. The Series 11 brings a number of upgrades over its predecessors, starting with health monitoring. One standout feature is hypertension notifications, which can detect signs of chronic high blood pressure and alert you early. Alongside that, the watch provides a sleep score to help you understand and improve your rest, plus it can track sleep apnea, ECG readings, heart rate variations, blood oxygen, and even provide temperature sensing and cycle tracking with retrospective ovulation estimates. Apple has really doubled down on wellness insights with this iteration. In terms of design, the Series 11 is sleek, thin, and lightweight, making it comfortable enough to wear all day and even while you sleep. The display is an always-on Retina OLED with LTPO3 technology, capable of up to 2000 nits of brightness, which ensures visibility in direct sunlight or at night. The glass is 2 times more scratch-resistant than Series 10, and the watch maintains a water resistance rating of 50 meters. Along with IP6X dust resistance, so it's ready for both workouts and everyday adventures. Battery life has also seen a significant boost. Apple claims up to 24 hours of normal use, but with fast charging capabilities, you can get up to 8 hours of use from just a 15-minute charge. The Series 11 packs the S10 SIP dual-core processor with a 4-core Apple Neural Engine and 64 GB of storage, making it fast, responsive, and capable of handling intensive apps and features with ease. When it comes to fitness, the Series 11 is a powerhouse. It includes advanced metrics for all types of workouts, heart rate zones, and features like Pacer, Training Load, and Workout Buddy powered by Apple Intelligence through your iPhone. It also comes with 3 months of Apple Fitness Plus to get you started with guided workouts. Connectivity is seamless with L1 GPS, GNSS, Galileo, QZSS, and Beidou support, plus 5G and LTE options for cellular versions, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, Apple Pay, GymKit, and the second-generation ultra-wideband chip. The build quality is impressive with aluminum and titanium options. The Series 11 includes a speaker, microphone, digital crown with haptic feedback, a side button, and even gestures for intuitive control. Safety features include emergency SOS, international calling, fall detection, crash detection, and backtrack, which can help you navigate back in case of emergency. Overall, the Apple Watch Series 11 is more than just a smartwatch. It's a health companion, a fitness coach, a communication hub, and a stylish accessory all in one. Whether you're an athlete, a busy professional, or someone looking to monitor and improve your health, this watch brings a lot to the table. It's lightweight, durable, and packed with features that make everyday life smarter and healthier. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming gadget reviews. See you next time.